this video, we're going to review how to pack the tripod case. There's not necessarily a wrong way to pack the tripod, but doing it in these steps will ensure you have a lot easier of a time and making sure that all of the components are safe for travel. You want to go ahead and start with your tripod here, ensuring that the rotating head is over this plastic screw. That will keep this from getting any damage inside of the case during shipment. But after that swiveling head is over top of that plastic piece, we simply just put this unit back together. This one's a little bit dirty. This is our inspection services unit, so pardon it not being a shiny brand new one, but this one's seen some use. So we'll start with the bag here with all the extension arm tubes. The best way to get the Zenith tripod and tubes in at once is to go ahead and wrap the tripod with the tube bag and grab the entire thing together and place it down inside of the tripod case. Once we have those inside, we can then take the foam inserts. You'll notice they conveniently look a lot like a Zenith, but we'll shove these into the front side. These brace the Zenith tripod and tubes so they're nice and sturdy for transportation. And then we can finish up by putting on the top of the case. And now you're safe for a nice rugged transportation.